Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and we've got another brand new Sony TV to unbox for you. This time it is the X80J, the replacement for the X80H. So we're gonna open this up, show you guys what comes inside of the box, as well as kind of give our first impressions, so stay tuned. Okay, so here we have all the accessories that come in the box. There's the two pedestal feet, and then next we've got some cable management clips, followed by some batteries for the remote, and then there is a power cord, some extensions if you want to wall mount this TV, as well as some paperwork. Okay, so we've got it all set up and we've got some content running on it. First impressions are, it's a really nice looking picture. It's sort of an more entry level type TV, but it does get some upgrades over the X80H. You get the new Triluminous Pro built in instead of just the standard Triluminous panel. So color quality is improved. It's slight, but definitely improved. Motion's really good on this one so far from our first impressions. And then they did things like add Bluetooth in for headphone compatibility. So you are going to have the ability to use Bluetooth headphones with this one, which you couldn't do on last year's model. So we're going to dive into those a little bit deeper in our full overview. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Otherwise, first impressions of this one are really nice so far. So as always, thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.